Why do mirrors reverse text? And don't forget, for every podcast we do have a matching video over on YouTube. Make sure you check us out and give us a little subscribe over there. We don't do it for any money or anything like that over there. We don't get any monetized. We just want you to enjoy the podcast in a different platform that's a little bit different for you to experience. So here we go. Why does text flips in the mirror?
Why does text show up backwards in a mirror? Like my shirt, for example, says NASA, but in the mirror, it kind of looks like it says A to A backwards N. Why? You might think that's just a property of mirrors. They flip things from left to right, but that's not true. Take, for example, this object, an arrow clearly facing from left to right, but it's also facing left to right in the mirror. I mean, no matter how I orient this object, it's going to have the exact same direction in the real world as it does in the mirror world.
Right.
So if mirrors don't flip objects, why does text show up as flipped? Well, there's actually an explanation for this. Let me demonstrate.
Okay.
If I take this book, clearly the title is forwards, but in the mirror, it's backwards. Contrast that with the text I've written on this transparent Ziploc bag. Forward text in the real world, but also forward text in the mirror world.
Whoa.
Why is that? Well, that's because I did something different with the bag than with the book. With the book, you can clearly already see the cover of the book. But in order to see it in the mirror, I have to flip it. Because right now you're looking at the back side. To see the cover, I physically flip the book and thus flip the text. Compare that with the Ziploc bag. Here, you don't have to flip anything because the bag is transparent. And so, if it's forward in the real world, it's also forward in the mirror world. In fact, if I wanted to, I could also flip it in the real world. Now the text is backwards in the real world, but also backwards in the mirror world. So it's actually not the mirror that's flipping anything from left to right. It's the human.
All right, you're going to open up some porthole somewhere. I know it. I know there's a horror movie in there somewhere. I know it. Oh, man. Oh, we got to figure it out. Audio trademark. I got it. It's called mirror flipping. I don't know, mirror on the wall or something like that. But if you watch that and you understood it, by all means, you're probably left brain. You got left-handed. You're smarter than me. And so there you go. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the show, make sure you follow us over on Facebook.